Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly unbox the DU8000 series LED TV from Samsung. This is the 65-inch version. It does come in a variety of sizes, so be sure to just double check with your instruction manual to make sure you're doing it right for your particular size. Or if you purchase your TV from Abt, you can always call us too, and we can help you out with that over the phone, so stick around. First things first, we're going to cut through the straps that are holding the box together. And now we can open up the top of the box and remove the accessories. So here we've got a couple of pedestal feet and one packet that's got your remote, looks like a power cord, and then some cable management. And now we're going to take the top piece of styrofoam out here. And now with the help of a friend, we're going to lift the box off the TV. Before we lift it out of the box, we'll just get rid of this front piece of styrofoam. And here we're looking at the back of the TV, and if you'll see right down here, there is a cutout where you can reach your hand down into to lift the TV up out of the box. So with you and the help of a friend, you're each gonna reach down into one of those spots, one on each side, and then you're gonna be able to lift the TV up nice and easy from there. And now we're going to be installing the pedestal, and as you can see, this is a really easy, straightforward process. There are no tools involved. This is what the pedestal looks like. You get two of these, and you see this little white tab here. It comes from the factory in the down position, which is going to give the TV a more low profile setup. If you're going to be putting a sound bar in front of the TV, you can flip this piece up, and it's going to raise the TV off the counter a little bit more to accommodate a sound bar. For the purposes of this video, we're going to put it down and leave it in the low profile setting. Okay, so you can grab either pedestal leg now because they're both exactly the same. And then there's a little ridge on each side, and that's gonna kind of just slide into this groove right here. So we're gonna slide that up, and it's gonna get to about there, and then it sort of sticks, but you're not done yet. What I've found to be the easiest way to do this is to grab by the top of the TV to get to get a little leverage, and you're gonna push, and it'll go all the way up so that it's kind of flush with this bottom groove right here, this bottom ridge. And then we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and now we're gonna need the help of a friend again, because we're gonna slide the TV off of there, and then we're gonna spin it around and get it set up right. Now comes my favorite part, peeling off the screen protector. So as you can see, it's a very straightforward unboxing process. Not a whole lot to this. The pedestal is really easy to install. There's no tools required. You just have to be a little bit careful when you're pushing the pedestal into place because it does take a little bit of effort to kind of get it locked in. Otherwise, this is a great looking television. This is their second level up above the DU8200. So you do get a little nicer picture. Sound quality is very similar to the DU7200, so there's not really a bump up there, but otherwise picture quality is really nice for more of an entry-level television. We're gonna go through all of that in our upcoming overview video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. We're also gonna have a video comparing this one to the 7200 to see what you get as you move up. So make sure you stay tuned for all of those. Thank you as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.